G'day and welcome to another in my video tweet sequence. Today I want to talk a little about the inverse care law and what that means for dental workforce in Australia. Just as a reminder, the inverse care law, invented in about the 1970s, is a law that tells us that where disease burdens are, we often see a lack of workforce, and in reverse, where we see workforce, there's often a lack of disease burden. In dentistry, this is a clear rule in Australia. In Australia, we have about 20,000 dental healthcare workers. These aren't spread evenly across our population. In fact, in our two largest cities, we see some of the highest densities, that's dentist to population ratios, of anywhere on earth. And when we move out into rural and regional Australia, we find a real paucity of dentists. And we also know that this distribution of dental professionals is focused on a socioeconomic curve. We see more dental practitioners in wealthier areas and fewer in poorer areas. This contrasts with the disease burden, which is far greater for dental in poorer communities than wealthier communities. Dentistry in this country is a classic example of the inverse care law. So what's our nation done about it? In the last 20 years, we have increased dental education in rural and regional Australia. We've opened a series of new dental schools focused on this problem. And in my future video, I will talk about these schools and the effect they have had on mitigating the inverse care law that is rife in dental in our nation. Thank you.